हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू नॉर्थस्टेला वेल्थ। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सुपर टॉप अप प्लान बाय आईसीआईसीआई लोम्बार्ड, आईसीआईसीआई लोम्बार्ड एक्टिवेट बूस्टर। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो हमने डिस्कस किया है तीन डिफरेंट सुपर टॉप अप प्लान फ्रॉम कंपनीज लाइक स्टार हेल्थ, एचडीएफसी अर्गो एंड टाटा एआईजी। ऑल्सो हमने एक वीडियो बनाया है जहां पे हमने डिस्कस किया है डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ रेगुलर टॉप अप प्लान एंड अ सुपर टॉप अप प्लान. So in the previous video, we have discussed super top up plan. Every company is now offering super top up plan, and also you can understand the difference between regular and top up plan and super top up plan. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आईसीआईसीआई लोम्बार्ड का एक्टिवेट बूस्टर. शुरू करने से पहले दोस्तों बताना चाहूंगा, मैं हूं महेंद्र राव एंड आई एम अ चार्टर्ड वेल्थ मैनेजर एंड अ क्वालिफाइड पर्सनल फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल, एंड आई हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद दिस इंश्योरेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडस्ट्री फॉर द पास्ट a decade now. So let me share my screen and understand what ICICI Lombard Activate Booster is, what are its features, how can we benefit it, what is a super top up plan, how can we take benefit of that super top up plan while taking a claim, right? So let's start. Let me share my screen and let us understand what is ICICI Lombard Activate Booster. So the plan provides you maximum flexibility, maximum coverage. A super top up plan which offers you two different plan, plan A and a plan B, that will help you to maintain your lifestyle. Depending on that, you can choose the plan A or plan B. So first, to understand what is a super top up plan. So super top up plan will cover all the expenses above your aggregate deductible. So whenever you go for a super top up plan, you have to define your deductible for how much amount you will not be claiming from this policy. So deductible range in this policy ranges from 3 lakh to 20 lakh, and beyond that you get a sum insured of 3 crore. For example, you want a deductible of 20 lakhs and you can opt for 3 crore, and you get two different plans, plan A and plan B. So your base policy will be 20 lakhs and your top up policy can be of 3 crore. So all in all, you will get a policy of 3.2 crore. This plan offers you a unique feature, which is unique waiver of deductible, which will convert your base policy at the age of 55 to 65. There is a range of 55 to 65 in which you can take this option. We will discuss this further in future slide, but you just understand this option is available. Plus there is no zone based co-payment across India. Plus there is a jump start option, which is an optional option where you can prepone your pre-existing disease. Generally, health insurance policy has a pre-existing disease waiting period of 3 years, but with this feature you can prepone it to 30 days, and after 30 days your pre-existing disease will start getting covered. Now at a glance, if we see, the biggest USP is that 3 crore sum options is available, which is a huge cover. Waiver of deductible, you can convert that policy into your base policy over a period of time, and that deductible reduction is 10% every renewal. Plus there is no zone copay, and you get a PED cover in just 30 days by paying some additional premium, because this is an optional feature of this plan. So now let's understand what plan A and plan B has to offer. Now if you see the sum insured option, here you get 10 lakhs to 3 crores with a deductible option of 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 7.5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakhs. If we see the inpatient hospitalization, everything is covered. Pre-hospitalization, if we see 90 days is covered in plan A, 180 days post-hospitalization in plan B, 60 days and 90 days. Domiciliary hospitalization is covered up to sum insured. Bariatric surgery is only covered in plan A. Inpatient surrogate and occult is covered up to 5 lakhs in plan A, and it is not covered in plan B. Home care treatment is not covered in plan A, and it is covered in plan B up to 5 lakh. Waiver of deductible, that is again an optional, is available in both the plan. You can choose by paying that extra premium. Nursing at home is again an optional in plan B. Compassionate visit and health checkup, again it is available on plan B. Under nursing at home, you get 2000 rupees per day, max 10 days. So after you are discharged from hospital, you go to your home, then there is a requirement of a nurse at home. So in that case, this amount is payable for next 10 days. So this feature is available in Plan B. Compassionate visit again up to rupees 20,000 is available for someone of your family who wants to travel, who wants to visit you, and can take this claim of rupees 20,000. And health checkup up to 55,000 is, and health checkup of up to rupees 5,000 is available for Plan B. Now, how Activate Booster works. I'm talking about this plan because this works on an aggregate deductible. All the claims in a year are counted together. Now, supposingly, if you have a base policy or if you have a corporate cover of 5 lakhs, this will work as a deductible. Now, if you take an Activate Booster of 25 lakhs, that will cover all the excess claim. Right now, you have a combination of 5 lakhs and 25 lakhs. Now, the total protection is of 30 lakhs, but that will be at a fraction of cost because the premium for Activate Booster is quite less compared to a base policy. Now, let us understand what aggregate deductible is. Reason being, this is a super top up plan, and I've already explained in our previous video how a super top up aggregate deductible works. Now, here the deductible is 5 lakhs. There is 3 different claims in the same year. Now, claim 1 is of 2 lakhs. The first claim is not settled because the amount is less than the deductible. The second claim comes is of 1.5 lakh. The second claim is also not covered under this because it is less than the deductible. Aggregate is also coming to 3.5 lakh. Now, supposedly there is a fourth claim of 4 lakh rupees. Now the combined value of the claim is 7.5 lakh. Deductible is of 5 lakh. The difference of 2.5 lakh will be paid by your super top up plan, which is Activate Booster in this case. The remaining 5 lakh is getting claimed from your base policy or your corporate cover of 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs gets covered from your base policy and the 2.5 lakh gets covered from your Activate Booster. So here this policy plays a very vital role, very important role, so that your pocket is not dented because of that 2.5 lakh extra cost. Now, if we see the standout features of Activate Boosters, I explained you the USP of waiver of deductible. Now, if you buy a policy before age 30 and if you keep on renewing continuously, the company under this policy gives you an option to convert the base policy with zero deductible at the age of 55 to 65. So your policy becomes fully future proof. So you, in the previous example, we understood 5 lakh was base policy, 25 lakh was super top up policy, and the combination was 30 lakhs. Now, if you keep on renewing continuously at the age of 55, you get an option that if you want to get this complete policy of 30 lakhs to be your base policy, you can do that. So here you get an option of waiver of deductible. The second is jumpstart. Your pre-existing diseases are covered in 30 days. Now, pre-existing diseases like asthma, diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, obesity can get covered within just 30 days instead of 3 years by paying that extra premium. And this is an optional benefit. You have to opt for the jumpstart. Again, no zone based copay, single premium, no deduction based on city, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, no co-payment is allowed, or there is a premium waiver or premium discount anywhere available. It is flat for across zone. Now, again, there is a guaranteed deductible reduction. Now, if you opt for this option, this is an optional option. If you opt for this option, the deductible reduces by 10% at every renewal, up to a maximum of 50%. For example, if we have understood that there was a base policy of 5 lakhs. Now, deductible reduces by 10% at every renewal. So, over a period of time, the next year, the deductible will be 4.5 lakh. Next to next year, it will be 4 lakh, 3.5 lakh, 3 lakh, and 2.5 lakh. 50% of original deductible. So, your base policy will become of 2.5 lakh and your super top up will become of 27.5 lakh. Combined combination of your policy will be 30 lakhs, but the deductible will be 2.5 lakh and 27.5 lakh will be your super top up cover. And the biggest advantage here is one of the highest sum assured, up to 3 crore is available in a super top up plan in India for HNI families. BFIT, it is an OPD on app. You can download IL, which is ICICI Lombard Take Care mobile app, and you can avail discount on OPD, pharma, physiotherapy, diagnostic only through that app. So this facility is also available. Now, inbuilt coverage. If we talk about the inbuilt coverage, as I made you understand in the previous slide, inpatient hospitalization, all the expenses are covered due to illness, injury, or accident. Daycare procedures are covered, wherein less than 24 hours are required for the treatment. Advanced treatment, technological advancement treatment, modern surgical and treatment techniques is covered up to sum insured. Pre and post hospitalization is covered in both Plan A and Plan B. Ayush treatment is again covered. Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha is covered in both Plan A and Plan B. Domestic road ambulance is covered. Organ donor expenses, donors hospitalization and surgery is covered up to sum insured. Domiciliary hospitalization is also covered. So inbuilt coverage benefit, if you have seen, and again if we see the optional cover which are available with this plan, is again jumpstart. You can get your cover pre-existing disease covered within 30 days. BFIT, you can get cashless OPD, pharmacy, physiotherapy, and diagnostic at a discount and a cashless basis on ICICI Lombard Take Care app. Domestic air ambulance is covered in both the plan. Guaranteed deductible option I have already explained. Teleconsultation is available, and again there is a beauty feature which is the inflation protector. Now, if you want a super top up plan, if supposedly you have taken a super top up plan of 25 lakhs, if you opt for that inflation protector, every year your sum insured will keep on increasing as per the medical inflation impact. The premium will keep on rising, no doubt about that. But again, you will not have a stagnant insurance cover. It will keep on rising, and that is a beautiful feature of this policy. Nursing at home, I have already discussed. It is only available in Plan B, rupees 2,000 per day, max 10 days. Compassionate visit up to rupees 20,000 for a family member to visit during long hospitalization. This is available in Plan B only. Health checkup, again, it is available in Plan B. Waiver of deductible, as I have already made you understand, if you buy a activate booster before age 30, and if you keep on renewing continuously, at the age of 55 to 65, you get an option to convert your deductible to zero. So no base policy needed. You buy a policy at 50, you renew continuously, you exercise that option at 55 to 65 years of age. Now your deductible becomes zero, and your complete protection will become your base policy, including your base policy and your super top up policy. So at the higher age, it becomes very important because you are getting a bigger insurance cover. There will be no medical test, there will be no tele medical which will be there. Automatically, you get an option and you can get it transferred to that policy. Why this matter? Reason is your age. Your base policy will become your super top up policy. Now, waiting periods, again, every policy has the waiting period. 30 days initial waiting period will always be there. After 30 days, the pooling period ceases, and then your policy starts. And only for accidents, it starts from day one. For cardiac, diabetes, hypertension, it is 90 days. For specified disease, it is again 2 years. For bariatric surgery, it is again 2 years. And any pre existing disease, it is 3 years. You can prepone the specified waiting for the pre-existing disease by 30 days by taking jumpstart. Also, many discounts are available when you buy this policy. There is a wellness discount. This is available on renewals. NRA discount is available of 25%. There is a CIBIL score based discount which is available of 15%. If you have a network advantage, you get a discount of 10%. Early renewal, if you renew the policy early, this is available in the renewal mode. Whenever the policy is renewed, you get a 2.5% discount. And again, long-term tenure, you get up to 50% discount if you opt for 2 or 3 years of policy premium together. So you can also stack the multiple discount, wellness plus CIBIL plus long-term. So you make a huge saving. So again, cashless claim process, it is cashless and reimbursement both. You can avail that facility. You can visit the network hospital and avail the cashless claim. If the hospital is not in the network hospital, then you can reimburse your claim. Both facilities are available. Now, who should buy a Activate boosters? As I explained it earlier, if you are a salaried employee with a corporate cover, if you have a corporate cover, that will become your deductible, that will become your base policy, and over and above, the bigger cover will be your super top up policy. And if you are planning for long term, you have a waiver of deductible feature, which means your super top up policy will become your base policy. Now, if you have a pre existing disease like BP, diabetes, asthma, you have that jump start option where you can avail this facility. High net worth families, because it offers 3 crore of insurance cover, you can opt for this policy. So maximum flexibility, maximum coverage. We at Northstella Wealth provide you a complete analysis of your base policy and help you choose the right deductible from 3 lakh to 20 lakh. It will is our duty to provide you the right feature, whether a plan A is suitable for you or plan B is suitable for you. Optional features like jump start, BFIT, deductible reduction, etc. is available. Whether those options are suitable for you, because these features with the optional riders which you take will be extra premium. It will not come free. Anything extra, anything optional will increase your premium. So contact us at Northstella Well to get a personalized Activate Booster recommendation. So guys, this was all about ICICI Lombard Activate Boosters. Hope you have taken the cognizance of all the features and whether these features are beneficial for you or not. And guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, because we bring to you such educational videos and where we understand this kind of policies in details and help you make the right decision. Thank you so much guys for listening. Signing off, Mahendra Rao. Until we meet again. Bye bye.